In this video, we show you how to register your visitors. To access your personal welcome portal, go to portal.welcomeyou.de/main/en in your browser. There you log in with your email address and password and confirm these entries by clicking on the login button. Your welcome portal opens. To start the visitor invitation process, click on Add New Visitor in the Visitor Entries section. Now create the visitor entry and enter the email address and other information such as first and last name and company. The first time the visitor data must be entered completely, but Welcome remembers the data and automatically suggests it for completion the next time. In the Meeting Data section, please select the category. Enter the email address of the contact person. This is the person who will be informed when the visitor arrives at your place. Other required fields are the occasion and, of course, the date of the appointment with start and end. You select the scheduled date using the calendar function. You can change the time using the sliders. Select the welcome screen on which the visitor is to be welcomed. On the welcome screen, you can also enter a personal welcome message for the visitor. Here you determine the printer layout of the visitor badge. In the Agreements field, select the documents that the visitor must read and confirm, in this case, safety instructions and the training video. If you are satisfied with your entries, click on Save. The registration was successful, as you can see in this overview of the visitor entries. Your visitor will automatically receive an email with directions, QR code for check-in and a wallet.